Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to change Kia Sportage headlight. Park on level ground, turn off the ignition, disconnect the negative battery terminal, and open the hood to access the headlight assembly. Remove the protective cover, unplug the bulb connector, and carefully release the retaining clip. Handle the new bulb by the base, insert it securely, reconnect the wiring, replace covers, and test the beam alignment before driving. Gather required tools and parts before you begin to save time and avoid frustration. You will need a flathead screwdriver, socket set, gloves, and a replacement headlight bulb rated for your Kia Sportage. Keep a clean cloth to avoid touching the glass of the bulb. Also have a flashlight, small mirror, and optional headlamp to check alignment. Follow the owner's manual for bulb specifications and safety notes. Start by removing the plastic cover behind the headlight assembly. Unscrew mounting bolts and gently pull the assembly forward enough to access the bulb housing. Disconnect the electrical connector, release the bulb clip, and remove the old bulb. Insert the new bulb without touching the glass, secure the clip, reconnect the connector, and refit the assembly and cover. Finally, reconnect the battery, check beam direction, and test the lights from both sides.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.